Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Daudu and Esther. Okay, so my name is Esther, but today I'll be the one doing the talking, Daudu doing the filming, so you'll be hearing my voice only today. Okay guys, so last week we couldn't upload this part of the video because it would have been so long, and we didn't want the video to be so long, so we decided to upload the part 2 of our outing to Tokyo. And so we'll be visiting some temples or shrines in Tokyo. This one is actually close to the zoo where we went to. It's a really old shrine in Tokyo, so we have tourists visiting this place a lot, and you can take pictures, make videos if you want, so you don't have any restrictions to using the camera in here. So we're just walking down and enjoying the view, just looking at the history behind the whole shrine and temple thing. Anyway, so we hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll show you everything we did in Tokyo. We'll be showing you all in this video today, so stay tuned and enjoy. So this water here is like a prayer water. I don't know what it is, but like I think it's for tendering your request or something. Boo tried it, that's him over there. It has like English instructions and also instructions in Japanese, so it's easy for you to just try. So I just videoed him while he tried. I didn't try it anyway. So it feels really cool. Like he said, it wasn't tasting different from normal water, so I don't know, he just tried it anyway. So moving further over there, you would see this place is actually for prayer or wishes, writing your wishes or prayers on this wooden template and hanging it. It's like a prayer answer. So they said these are paper cranes of different colors, and I don't know what this is, but I don't know. I don't want to give wrong information. I don't know what it is, but it looks really cool, and yeah. So guys, look at this small prayer or wish template. It's really nice. We didn't get to try this though because we're running out of time. We needed to go further to other places we wanted to go to, so we just looked at them, and yeah, it was really nice seeing them. Maybe next time we'll come here, we're going to try it out and see. I think it's called Emma in Japanese. We saw it written stuff over there that says it like Emma, prayers and wishes or something. Okay, yeah, that's it over there. Okay, yeah, wooden tablets. Yeah guys, so we didn't get to try it. Maybe next time we're gonna try it out and see. Right now our wishes on it. So that's the shrine over there. It's really cool. It's really ancient. I can't remember what year because I think it was written at the entrance of the shrine, but we didn't get to video that. And these are also wishes and requests and all that, but this is written in like I think it's like paper. You just tie it around the place, so it's really beautiful. We got nice views over here to just take good pictures. So guys, on our way out we saw another, so we just decided to go in and see what this one looks like. Well, there's a story behind this round tree. There's a story behind it that has to do with prayers and or something. It's just at the entrance over there. It's really nice. You're not restricted. You can take pictures if you want, make videos if you want, and yeah, and it's like up, so it's really really cool. I got so much viewing the viewing from the top actually, so it was really really nice. So guys, we're proceeding to the main and famous one. So guys, we finally got to this famous shrine in Tokyo known as Sensoji Shrine. It's really big and very famous. You have a lot of tourists visit this place, and you can also see the Tokyo Sky Tree from here. It's really really nice. So guys, we're just going in now to see what this one looks like. So guys, take a look at it. It is so crowded. Like, we have a lot of people here today. I don't know if they have a special thing they're having today or if it's usually this crowded, but it's really really crowded. And then that was the main entrance. So walking down to the main shrine itself, it's really really a long walk, about 10 minutes walk. So we have to walk all the way down there, and then they sell a lot of things on your way, like walking down to the main shrine. It's really beautiful and nice. So guys, yeah, we should be walking down there. Wow, yeah guys, we're finally close, but like not so close. We're still going to have to walk for about a minute or two. So yeah, that's the main shrine over there. It's really really big and very nice. So it's getting dark already. Yeah, so we're just gonna walk there and see what it's like inside. It's our first time visiting this place. You can see a lot of people taking so much pictures here. We also took some pictures too though. You know, I like pictures a lot. So guys, I'm walking in now. Yeah, it's quite big inside also. And that's the prayer stuff we saw at the other shrine over there too. Yeah guys, so basically this is what it looks like inside. People pray over there and it's really nice. So hungry right now, so we'll just look for a restaurant to have dinner before heading back.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes.
So guys, our food is finally here. I'm so hungry, same as D. He doesn't even have time to look at the camera right now. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed today's video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed to our channel. Kindly like our videos, share, don't forget to comment below. We love you all and see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.